Imagine waking up one morning and checking your bank account, only to find that your main source of income isn't enough to cover your bills, let alone your dreams. This is not a rare story, it's reality for millions of people. In fact, did you know that over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Even those with decent salaries often find themselves scrambling when unexpected expenses hit. But what if I told you there's a way to take control, boost your income, and even create financial freedom all without quitting your day job? Today, we're diving deep into side hustles for extra money. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable ideas you can start immediately. Side hustles are more than just a trend, they're a lifeline. They allow ordinary people to earn extra cash, develop new skills, and sometimes even turn hobbies into full-time careers. The beauty of a side hustle is that it works around your schedule. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a full-time employee, there's a way to make it work for you. And here's the exciting part. Some side hustles require zero investment. Some need a small setup, and some can eventually replace your primary income. The key is to start with something you're good at or at least enjoy doing. Let's begin with freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have millions of clients searching for people who can write, design, edit videos, manage social media, or even do data entry. You don't need years of experience. You just need a portfolio to show what you can do. Even basic skills like Excel, copy pasting, or simple graphic design can earn you $10 to $50 per hour, sometimes more. The advantage of freelancing is flexibility as you choose your clients, your hours, and your rates. Over time, as you build a reputation, your side hustle income can grow into a full-fledged career. Another powerful side hustle is online tutoring or teaching. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, there are platforms like Chegg, tutor.com, and VIPKit that allow you to teach students worldwide. English teaching is especially lucrative if you're a native speaker or have strong communication skills. Tutors can earn anywhere from $15 to $60 an hour, depending on experience and the subject matter. Beyond the money, teaching online allows you to connect with people globally and sharpen your own knowledge while earning. E-commerce and dropshipping is another route that's exploding right now. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and eBay make it easy to start selling products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, digital goods, or dropshipping products. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. You act as the middleman, and the supplier handles shipping. It does require research and marketing skills, but many people have built six-figure businesses using this model. Even starting small, just a few sales per day, can add a significant boost to your monthly income. If you enjoy writing or content creation, consider starting a blog, a newsletter, or even self-publishing on Kindle. Monetization comes through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. For example, writing a niche blog about personal finance, fitness, or side hustles could attract thousands of readers monthly. Even modest traffic can earn $100 to $500 a month initially. And as your audience grows, so does your income. The key is consistency in creating content that people want to read, watch, or share. One of the fastest growing side hustles is gig economy work. Apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart, or Postmates let you earn money on your schedule. You could drive, deliver groceries, or run errands for people in your city. Many people underestimate how lucrative this can be. For instance, driving just 2 to 3 hours a day during peak times can easily net $500 $800 per week. Add bonuses and incentives from these apps. And some people even surpass their main income without a traditional 9-to-5, or those who love hands-on work or creativity. Consider side hustles like photography, event planning, or pet sitting. Platforms like Rover for pet sitting or Thumbtack for local services connect you to people willing to pay for your skills. Even selling stock photos online can earn passive income if you build a decent library of images. These side hustles often start small but can scale quickly as your reputation and portfolio grow. Now, I hope you're doing well. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more video notifications. Back to our discussion. Another underrated opportunity is reselling items online. This involves buying discounted items from thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sections and selling them at a profit on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Some people turn this into a $2,000, $5,000 monthly income just from their spare time. The key is finding products in demand and knowing how to price them competitively. Affiliate marketing is another side hustle with massive potential. You promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You don't need your own product, you just need an audience. Social media, blogs, or email lists are perfect for affiliate marketing. With the right strategy, some affiliate marketers earn hundreds or even thousands per month without any upfront investment beyond time and effort. A creative option is digital products. Ebooks, printables, online courses, and templates are in high demand. Once created, these products can sell repeatedly with minimal maintenance, creating passive income. Think about a course teaching a skill you know well, or a template that helps businesses save time. The upfront work can be intensive, but the reward is ongoing. This is one of the smartest side hustles if you aim for long-term income that grows while you sleep. Don't forget investing as a side hustle. While it requires research and some initial capital, investing in stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies can supplement income significantly over time. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, or Coinbase make it easy for beginners. Pair investing with learning about dividend-paying stocks, and you could create a steady stream of income that doesn't require constant labor. Remember, risk management is key. Start small and educate yourself before diving in. For those who are social media savvy, content creation on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube can be a goldmine. Brands pay influencers for promotions, sponsorships, and ads. Even small creators can earn hundreds to thousands per month once they grow a niche audience. The beauty of content creation is that it often turns hobbies into income. Start by sharing knowledge, entertainment, or lifestyle tips, and over time, your influence grows alongside your revenue. A side hustle that many overlook is consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, people will pay for your guidance. Business consulting, career coaching, fitness coaching, and life coaching are all high-paying options. Even a few clients can generate significant monthly revenue, and online platforms make it easy to connect with clients worldwide. Lastly, renting assets can be an easy side hustle. Own a spare room, car, or even tools. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, or Fat Llama allow you to rent these assets out. The effort is minimal, yet the return can be substantial, especially in high-demand areas. It's a perfect example of earning extra money without working more hours. The best part about side hustles is that you don't have to stick to one. You can combine multiple streams to reach your income goals faster. Start small, test what works, and scale what brings results. The sooner you start, the sooner you create financial freedom. Imagine a year from now having an extra $500, $2,000 per month flowing into your bank account from side hustles you enjoy. That's not just extra cash, that's options, security, and freedom. The power is in taking action today, not tomorrow. Side hustles are more than just extra money. They're a path to financial independence, skills, growth, and the confidence to pursue bigger dreams. Don't wait for the perfect time, because it may never come. Start now with what you have. Learn along the way, and watch how your life changes. Financial freedom doesn't have to be a dream. It can be your reality, starting with the right side hustle.